Hi friends, good morning, and I'm your friend Roger Saldana, and welcome to my new show, A Day in My Life. So friends, let's go to our farm. So guys, now we are going to our farm and we're going in a car. So once we reach to our farm, I'll show you the ahead things what we are going to do in a day. So let's move friends. And now we'll keep a bag. We'll keep all our stuffs inside and let's move back to our farm, to our workplace and get set to shoot a day in our life friends. So let's go ahead. So friends, now I handed the vehicle keys to my brother because I wanted to do my vlogs and I want to show you the entire log from which the day in my life will start. So in that, my friend Himanshu Oja, he has helped me in all my shoots, in all my recordings and in everything. So friends, it's now time to go to our farm. And you can see we have sat over here and we are enjoying our ride because we are very much excited what's going to happen. So friends, stay tuned and don't miss the end because it's going to be super exciting because we are going to enjoy our day in our life friends. So stay tuned friends and let's go ahead till we reach our farm. चाहे मेरा दिल जाए. So friends, we are in the traffic jam and we are enjoying our ride. We're feeling very good and very nice. So in the traffic, but the videos are not going to stop because we are having fun, we are vlogging, we are in Pune bloggers. So now we are going to fuel.
We're going to tank in some diesel.
बकराची येलो कलरची दोन
Rodney, where are you taking the car and going?
on the Pata.
The butter. Why are we on the butter? Money. ATM. Why you need so much money? For blogging, every minute you need money to blog. Blogging is not that easy. It's not everyone's cup of tea to do blogging. Think blogging is easy or what? For fuel, for traveling, for eating, everywhere we need money. Now we are towards Ashwar Phata. You can see. Mr. Ronnie will go. Okay. Atta, from Ganesh Gate. Ganesh Gate समय.
ऐक ना गणेश कल्याण घे आणि त्याच्यावर पेट्रोल घे एक पेट्रोल pump.
This is the coriander. Inchi ahead. भाव नहीं मिला इसको.
लोग कहते हैं इंडिया इज एग्रीकल्चरल कंट्री. 75% of the Indian occupation is dependent upon agriculture. And if agriculture is not getting the
Where the Bengal was?
what you say the maximum retail price,
Bengal.
if we are not getting the hame bhav, we are not getting the price for our crop, then what is the use of doing agriculture? When we stop doing, you will come to know our value.
The value of the
And
farmers
that time you all will have to purchase these same products
at a higher price.
at a high prices, which you all will never
Be able to
might have
afford it.
dreamt of also. And then you all will come to know the value of the farmer. Check that beetroot over there of mine, how it has come.
This is the beetroots which I have planted.
I'm not going to sell it, I'm going to store it in my
We
warehouse.
store it. We'll take a warehouse.
And I'm
we'll
going
store
to sell it for a higher price.
it. Please sell it at a price which people can afford to buy it. Please.
People
It
are
will be
not
difficult for them to buy.
people are not paying me the price which
Right.
is affordable for me.
This wheat-
And how to give them the price
The wheat
which
where
will
is
be
the wheat
affordable for them? You help me, I will help you in exchange. Right?
Right.
What is that over there? That's our sugarcane, and there you can see that's the wheat which is gone. I'll show you now once we reach the sack.
So the wheat sacks are from the field.
Yes, at home. There you can see those coconut trees there, right there. That's our goat farm. Now don't tell me to give goat meat at a cheaper rate, please.
But that is not for meat purpose.
Please, that's not for meat purpose.
for
That's a
breeding.
breeding farm, and we are breeding African bows over there.
For
Pure
love.
African bows go around 2 lakhs per piece. So please don't ask for in meat prices. This is our palak. It's just gone. So now they are taking out the this thing, weeds like that. Now in front here, one of my friend has built his house, his dream home. We'll show you.
dream home
He's built a
and the
very
garden.
beautiful house. He's not yet painted it, but he'll paint it soon.
And
But you can see such a beautiful house he has built. A small
he has
and
made
a
a
cute
house.
house, you can see.
and what is that called? Kitchen garden he has made in that.
Kitchen garden.
Kitchen garden.
Very well watered.
So from here the farm starts of Mr. Himanshu. This is the house.
Wow.
Is anybody staying in this house?
Looks like someone is sleeping. Honeymoons take place every night here. We kept the door
And
open.
this is the garden kitchen.
It's free, you don't need to book an OYO.
This is the garden kitchen.
Kitchen garden.
Garden.
You have to take out the weeds now, right now.
There is no water over here. You not put water with the plant.
Looks like a rota is going to soon go over it.
What are the papayas you have planted over there?
Those will be there, unless and until they are on the boundary. ले डूबा ये गेहूं का इश्क मुझे ले डूबा उसके रेट के साथ। अरे आ रहे हैं भाई, भाग नहीं जा रहे हैं, देंगे। Why you taking tension? We are coming, we are reaching. Please wait. Hello.
हो बोला की
हाँ सर, पेमेंट झालं
आले आले
येस सर, थँक यू. Payments are just going dana dhan. They're just going. Can't understand.
Payments are just
My God.
You have to pay at every moment. You have to pay money. What do you think? Blogging is easy or what?
Each step. Okay, man.
Step you have to pay money.
Onions, yeah.
This is the onions.
Those are not ours. That's not our onion. So don't even dare to touch it. A fast axe will come and chop out your hand if you go to pluck it. A speeding axe will come towards you. That means it was a desi guys. The Indian desi breed. Here in each and every house you will find one, two cows. Because people keep cows. They breed it, they rear it. You can't say always for milk. It does not get so much milk. But yeah, for the household it suffices for substantial farming. And also, according to the Vedic culture and the old traditions, one cow has to be kept in the
And I think so
farmer's door.
in the afternoon they have that buttermilk. In the Madaka
Yeah.
they eat.
There are various things which
Yeah.
are made out of
It's cooling
cow
for the
milk
stomach,
in
right?
the villages. For example, dahi, tak, loni, butter. Each and everything has its own speciality in itself. People keep waiting for me as I come because they have their works and also I do their works for them. Secondly, he might have come for some. He has parked his car because he's not allowed in until and unless I'm come. Okay.
So this is your farm.
Yeah, that's our farm. You can see there. It starts, and there you go. We'll go right there. Looks like he does not have the correct judgment where to park his car.
So here we have entered Ronnie Goat Farm.
जागतिक महिला दिनी 8 मार्चला माणिक मोबाईलच्या सगळ्या शाखांमध्ये फक्त महिलांना
बस बस.
5 वस्तू फ्री मिळणार.
So friends, I finally reached my farm and my cats and dogs have come to welcome me. See Blackie sitting over here. Blackie, what are you doing, Blackie? The cat and the dog are friends. This is the farmhouse. And let's change our clothes. So today we're going to make nice veg special pulao. So you can see our ingredients over here. We have put some fresh green peas and a fresh farm green peas and a French beans. Now this vegetable is ready. Then we'll cut our onions in the food. सगळे आणले. So hi friends, who do you think I am? I am the most top chef of Pune. Today we're going to make the special pulao. Works will be there, but the food should be cooking in the kitchen because we are the top chefs, man.
The secret ingredient is the
friends, it's now time to put the fodder for the goats and the sheep. The big camel. Then come to the next camel because the work is going good and fast. So you can see these are all the African Dorper sheep, female, and that is a sperm male. And here inside is the food. Okay. So you see how the food is going inside. The feeder. This is the fresh green fodder, and over this will come the bhusa, salt, and the millet mixture for the goats and the sheep. The work is going on in a very good speed. Dance and do the work.
Roger,
Yes.
you set up the farm very nicely
It's the most clean and the most hygienic farm
in Pune.
in Pune. In the whole of Maharashtra in India, it's the top quality farm, 5-star rating farm. You see it? See it on Google. Ronnie Goat Farm. See Ronnie Goat Farm. It is the best farm. Mr. Himanshu is there with us to support our videos.
Thank you, Roger, for giving
sir,
me this
how do you
opportunity.
like the farm?
It's really nice, and I've never seen such clean farm
And you have
in my
seen
life.
Advocate Ronnie Saldana. He himself is working
Working
for his
so
good
hard.
health.
Sir, what do you want to say?
No comments, please.
Why?
I'm a worker.
But still, we want you to say something.
What is sir saying?
Sir
Work
saying-
hard and let success make the noise.
Wow.
Work hard and let success make the big noise. That's it. Okay. अभी गाय का निकलने का है. Cows are waiting. Cows are shouting over there. जल्दी खाना डालो बोल रहे हैं. गाय लोग चिल्ला रहे हैं. The clean and best quality goat. This is the African Boer goats breed. This is the best breed for farming purposes. It looks beautiful and nice. So friends, how are these beautiful sheep? Aren't they good?
They really
Comment me in the comment box below because you can see them. They are neat and clean. Don't fight. Come on. Eat your food. Everybody's come. They all want to be on the camera. So all have come now because the camera is on. Even they know the vlogging is on. You want to come on camera? Yeah? What do you say? What? What? No, no, no. She wants to come on camera. She wants a GoPro. What do you want? GoPro?
Get on my head. 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 Get on my head.
Yes, tell me.
Roger,
Yes.
I wanted to ask
You want to ask many questions. How I manage all this? Do you think this is a joke? Managing this whole farm, the one man person handling everything. This is not a joke.
know.
Is it serious?
Is it serious?
This is a serious job. If you have love for the animals, if you want to do it from your heart, and if you have lakhs of rupees to spend on them, then you can set up a farm like this and enjoy your life with the animals and the nature. So that's as simple as that.
One more question.
Yes, sir.
If you have time. How do you make this feed? What is all included in this feed?
This is the special sugarcane feed, which is highly nutritious and good. And with that, we have the bhusa, mineral mixture, and everything. And
Good
people
afternoon,
come
how are
to
you?
see our farms. The neighbors, they come, they enjoy our company. They come to meet us in the evening. So
Who is he? Can you introduce
He's my
him?
friend, is Mr. Vijay Kotwal. He's a very big farmer in this area, in Ashtrapur. He's a very big farmer.
Hello.
Hello, sir. So you're enjoying the farm?
Yes, yes,
You're enjoying it?
yes.
Oh, he's the one who went.
He had come to Manali for the trip.
Yeah, I've seen him.
Yeah, he's there everywhere.
Hi, Ronnie.
Hi.
How's it going?
Please ask some questions to Mr. Vijay Kotwal.
Vijay. Vijay.
आलं का चला आपलं घेऊन तिथे ॲडव्हर्टाईज करायचे टँकर पलटी झालाय
Okay, we'll do it.
ट्रॉली पलटी केली
अरे पुरं बंद झालं चला 5 किलोमीटरची रेंज आहे स्फोट झाला तर
काय काय पलटी झालं
दाखवतो टँकर बघा
हे कुठं झालं
पहिलं टँकर
कुठलं पेट्रोलचं आहे
पेट्रोल नाही पेट्रोलपेक्षा घातक पदार्थ आहे त्याच्यात 5 किलोमीटरची रेंज अख्खी वस्ती काढली बाहेर आणि ही 2 साईडने 2 गाड्या पाणी होती त्याच्यावरती
पण हे झालं कुठं
ते टन नाही का असं
पेट्रोल वस्ती आणि ऐक ना हे पलटी झालं म्हणजे फुल आहे का
हो
लोड मध्ये
साधी एक ठिंगी जर झाली 5 किलोमीटरची रेंज आहे कॉल्डॉक्सवर साहेब बोलतो
आपण 5 अंतर
5 नाही ओ भाई
लांब आम्ही
फाटा बंद
Can
केला
you just tell me
फाटा
what is he saying? What is he trying to say?
he is saying that a spirit carrying tanker
Okay.
with petrol has tumbled down,
Okay.
and as it's tumbled down, even if one person lights a matchstick or tries to light a cigarette,
5
and if it
kilometer, 5
catches
kilometer range.
fire, because it's highly inflammable,
Okay.
so as it's highly inflammable and if it catches fire, then the radius is of 5 kilometers.
Oh my God, that means we are in a dangerous zone.
In and around 5 kilometers,
So
the
should we make an emergency exit from here? Should we leave?
fast get out from
So friends, it's time for milking now. We're milking our cow. This is the milking machine, the original milking machine. So we are milking the cow in high speed, friends. You can see this, the fresh milk is coming. Really good. Hard working job. What is he saying about the asteroids which fell? Are there any particles?
One cow milking hard job. अरे 10 cow.
What? So there are na, so like this at least one get over. He managed to say I have to milk at least 20 cows. I am not doing it as a business. This is my hobby to do. This is my hobby because I want to spend money. I don't want to earn money. I want to spend all my money between these animals. It just need peace in your heart. No need to earn money or anything. Happiness. Thank you.
What are you up to, Roger?
I'm running and I'm making them walk out. Even they need to run. That's it. Nothing else.
Come on.
You know this breed? The African Boer breed, the best breed of goats. See how they're enjoying. They come in the shade. They don't run in the sun.
Boar meat is very nice, tasty.
This is not for meat purpose. Please. It's only for breeding. What is he talking about meat? What does it mean? Are these going to be slaughtered? Is it a joke? Am I going to slaughter them? It's not for slaughter, please.
What is he saying?
He's saying he's talking
He means to
nonsense.
say
He wants to
goat
eat
meat is the most tastiest meat to
in
eat.
the world. And the
Well, it's
money,
expensive on the other side.
200 per kg.
200 per kg. It is 4,000 rupees per kg.
This is a 50% discount per
Is he
kg.
talking about chicken? Do we even get cocks and hens for that price?
No comments, please. No comments, please, over this. Okay, after you all cut the goat, please do call me to eat. I'll come to help you all in eating.
So many times that this is not for meat purpose. This is for love and breeding purposes, not to cut them. Please stop this topic right away before I call the cops. Okay?
My God.
So Roger, we wanted some more information on this.
About the
You
goats?
just said that you have dedicated this 1 acre land
Yes.
just for running and relaxing.
Yeah, for them to relax
So why
and
don't you
run.
plant something, grow something for us
I
to
don't
eat?
want money. Who wants the profit? Who wants profit? See how they're running. Run! See the running speed. See how they're running.
What was that?
Earn money. But
What was
you will
that?
miss the fun.
That was the speed. Horsepower. How much horsepower?
I believe it was like 25.
अड़ता में नहीं बेटा 25 आजू बाजू.
So now you tell me.
See that
Yeah,
on
yeah.
top.
Look at the plane.
So this land is beside the airport.
Yes. Ahead, 5 kilometers is the airport. So you just land. The pilot tells me hi. Sometimes it's low, but for that also we need lots of money, baby. Nothing is free. You want a farm next to an airport and see the flights going all above you. Money counts. You need lakhs of rupees. You have to count them. Fat.
And give away.
This fellow is laughing. He spent my more than 2 lakhs in Manali just to see ice, just to play with the ice. I had to pay 2 lakhs extra. Only to play with the ice, and going and coming it became more than 10 lakhs ahead. But only for him, just for one video in which he took ice and just threw it in the air. For that I had to pay 2 lakh rupees for the shooting and everything, which was fully planned. So did you enjoy that?
Enjoy.
I hope you enjoyed, Vijay.
For
And
everybody I
you are
had to pay
blessed
2
to
lakh
have a
rupees.
friend, you know. He gave you such a good
Only to
opportunity
play
just
with
to
that
play
ice,
nice.
we had to pay lakhs of rupees only to play for one shoot.
At least say him a thanks.
Thanks.
Yeah.
He is learning English, so he'll be back with you with some good words of English. He is the owner of Piraji's Cakes. Do you know Piraji's Cakes?
No,
No, you're not the owner?
no,
That
no.
means you're talking lies. People know him. Piraji's Cakes company is the owner of that in Pune. बस enough for it.
बोलो ये शर्ट क्या बोल रहे थे रॉजर के लिए?
रॉजर अमेरिका जाने वाला है, वो उधर शूटिंग निकलेगा और मैं भी उनके साथ जाएगा, उनके बैग संभालेगा, मैं उनके
कहाँ पे
बॉडी
जा रहे हो?
अमेरिका जाने वाला है वो शूटिंग निकालने के लिए, तो मैं भी उनके साथ जाएगा। 5 लाख रुपए खर्च करके उन्होंने पूरा सेटअप लाया है शूटिंग का।
क्या क्या है इसमें?
वो कैमरा है, ड्रोन कैमरा है, वो इलेक्ट्रिक उपकरण है, शूटिंग की पूरी उसने सामान लाया है। वो बैग लेके जाने वाला है। इतना सारा सामान संभालने के लिए एक आदमी तो चाहिए, तो मैं उनके साथ जा रहा है अमेरिका को, और हिमांशु भी साथ में आ रहा है। 2 आदमी तो चाहिए वो। बस अभी बंद करो। आलते पण ते ना केमिकल ट्रान्सफर करायचे त्या गाडीतून दुसऱ्या. हा पण ते आले कुठून तिकडून.
So Roger, how's the day going?
It's going good. It's tea time now. We're having a tea, a special tea.
And you said it's herbal, so what have you put in that?
It's organic tea, and the tea leaves are from which is that tea company in Uti? No, from Uti I ordered this tea. From the company, the organic tea leaves.
Organic India.
I had gone for the trip over there. From there I got it.
पण तो उद्या याला गोळी मारावं लागेल. हे ऐकतो कोण? बकरा. बकराने ऐकलं तर बकरा जाऊन सांगतो उद्या कसं पण
Why they are
करू बाबा
shouting
घोड्या.
They are shouting,
नंतर
really shout.
उद्या तुला
गोळी
गोळी आहे. तर तिसऱ्या दिवशी कसं
This
तरी तो
village
घोडा उठतो.
conversation will go viral. Huh?
उठतो मालक येतो डॉक्टर येतो बंदूक घेऊन ह्याला गोळी मारा.
The village conversations are going on.
घोडा उठला मालक लय खुश. अरे वा माझा घोडा उठला. एक काम सगळ्यांना बोला बकरा कापा. कळलं? तसली गत आहे तुमची.
भाई मेरे मान पे काय को असली शूटिंग व्हायरल होती.
बस कर दे.
Everything is counted. We need
Lots of money for that.
Lots.
Lots.
So what is the dream?
So friends, we are going home now. It's fully jammed. The traffic is fully jammed over here. Manali Trance is going on. New songs are coming up by Mr. Ronnie Saldana. You can see. Of the light. I hope you have liked my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Have a great day.